To Mason Putnell. Hi, man. I'm Tommy Chong here with my friend Mason from Stock Up 42. They make videos on investing, making money online, passive income, and money-making apps. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Roll the intro, man.
Stop goofing off, the camera is on.
Hi, Mason here from Stock Up 42. We are experimenting with new voices. Please let us know in the comments if these are easier to understand. Although we use animation in our videos, this is a serious financial channel. But we have to legally give this disclaimer before we start. We are not financial advisors. Invest at your own risk and do your own research. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only.
Hi, Ashley here. We are going to go over our earnings from Drip Network and give everyone an update on our $500 to $1 million cell phone challenge.
Yes, absolutely. But first, we would like to quickly go over the crypto earning apps we are using to help fund the Drip Network account we have set up.
The first app we have that we absolutely love is Ember. With Ember Fund, you earn free Bitcoin every day by opening the app and tapping the Start Mining button. And that's it. You can now close the app and you will continually earn until the 24 hours is up. You can boost your earnings by clicking on and reading articles and by referring friends. You get paid in Bitcoin once a month if you hit the $5 withdrawal limit. If you use our link in the description of the video, you will start with 1,000 Satoshis. You can also boost your earnings speed by investing in their high-yield opportunities.
That's right, free passive income with the push of a single button. The next app is Binance. Binance should have been the first app we mentioned. Binance is one of the best and safest exchanges out there. It also has some of the lowest fees of any other exchange. Binance is its own ecosystem, the Binance Smart Chain. It also has its own cryptocurrency called BNB, as we are using the Drip Network to fuel the $1 million challenge. You need BNB to purchase the Drip token. With any other smart chain, especially the Ether network, this would be nearly impossible for us, as we are relying on microtransactions to accomplish this. The fees on the Ether network could have possibly cost hundreds of dollars. The fees on the Binance Smart Chain average just 60 cents per transaction.
Yes, and another great thing about Binance is that you get your own referral link to invite other people. When someone uses your referral link, you can receive up to 40% of your referral's fees for life. This can also be a great source of passive income for you. Simply get your referral link and share it in Facebook groups, Reddit, Twitter, or run ads with your link.
We would hope that you use our referral links in the description of the video, as this will help us with our challenge.
We have just one more app to mention before we get started with the $1 million cell phone challenge update. Please take a second to hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. This next app, we have made thousands of dollars worth of crypto in just a few months. This app is called the Coin app.
Yes, you can earn Bitcoin, Ether, or XY cryptocurrency with the Coin app. This app is great for anyone who drives a lot, like forklift drivers, truck drivers, Uber drivers, or any other reasons you may be driving around. You simply hit the Auto Explorer button and you will automatically start earning. Don't worry, there are many other ways to earn with the Coin app, like walk-in, riding a bike, playing mini games, playing rewarded play, and taking surveys. This will be one of the major contributors to the $1 million cell phone challenge. If you use our link in the description of the video, it will automatically start you out with 1,000 free coin.
Yes, we have the Coin app master plan, which allows you to earn more coin a lot faster than normal. For iOS users, there will be a link to our other video on how to purchase the plan. Unfortunately, I don't think this trick works on the Android version of the Coin app. However, you can still earn for free or purchase the Pro plan.
Okay, now it's time for the $500 to $1 million Cellphone challenge update. We are using the Drip network to earn 1% compounded interest daily. We will be using the crypto earned in these apps we mentioned, along with any donations, extra money made at work, or sponsored offers we may review.
We have made approximately $4 a day on the Drip network so far. The fees for hydrating the earnings were approximately 60 cents each day. We have around $150 worth of XYO cryptocurrency made from the Coin app. We are waiting to earn more first before adding it to the Drip network, so we can cover any fees, although we may add it soon. We have not yet received any donations at this time. Don't worry, we will be showing screenshots of everything here in a minute. If you would like to get started with Drip network, I will put a link in the description of the video to our full tutorial. If you would like to donate to the $1 Million Cellphone Challenge and like to be mentioned in a future video, simply make a donation of any amount and leave a comment down below. Okay, we will now show you the screenshots and be back in a few seconds.
Stop goofing off, the camera is on.
So as you can see, we are currently making about $4 every day. That's not a lot of money, but with compounding interest daily it can grow pretty rapidly over time. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to share our videos with your friends on Facebook.
We try to make several videos every week on investing, crypto earning, and other money-making strategies. Thanks for being part of the community, and until the next video, let's stock up together.